You want to generate caption in seconds? Then Submagic is a very useful tool for you. With over 100 YouTubers using this tool, Submagic has proved its exceptional performance in social medias. The tool can help you generate caption and make viral shorts in seconds. First, click Generate Captions. After that, you can upload the video you want and wait for the tool to generate caption. After that, you can fix the font style, the position, and the font size. Moreover, you can fix the color, the audio, and the cover of the video. Moreover, you can trim and add some video. Then click Export. But you can't export without Watermark if you use free version. So I suggest you to at least buy Pro plan to use more feature. And that is the end of the video. If you feel the video is useful, please like, comment, and subscribe to not miss any powerful AI tool.